In his name we start. In this period we are going to continue solving exercises about systems of equations, starting with exercise number 13. We have reached part 4. Read Yasin.
20 tulips and daisies are arranged in a vase. There are 3 times daisies more than tulips.
Okay. So what do we assume here? Let what?
Let x
First, what are the
first we let x tulips.
Let x be the what of tulips?
Yes.
Be what? Let x be Yasmin.
Yes.
Let x be what?
Number.
The number. Good.
The number
of tulips, and
will let y be the number of days.
Let y be the number of days. Okay, here the unknown is the number of tulips and the number of daisies. Okay, these are the unknowns. So, first equation, Yasmin.
First equation, x plus y equal 20.
X plus y equal 20. Good, because we have 20 tulips and daisies are arranged in a vase. Okay, because this is the first equation. The second equation,
y equal 3x.
There are 3 times daisies more than tulips. Good, daisies are y, then y equal 3x. Okay, this is the system. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, now part 5, Adam Asad.
In a bus there are 25 students. There are 7 boys more than girls.
Okay.
Let x be the number of boys.
Number of boys, and
let y be the number of girls.
The number of girls. These are the assumptions. Okay, the first equation.
X plus y equal 25.
Plus y equal 25. And the second equation, 7 more. Yani, the number of boys is equal to the number of girls plus 7. Okay? This is the second system. This is equation 1. And this is equation 2. Okay? Okay, Zara, read.
Find the numbers x and y that verifies x plus y equal 12, x plus 2y equal 15.
Okay. What method do you use to solve this system?
X plus y equal 12. It's the first equation.
1 and 2. How do you want to solve this?
X equal 12 minus y.
X equal 12 minus y.
12 minus y plus 2y equal 15.
Okay, then we substitute it This is equation 1, x equal 12 minus y, and we substitute it in
equation
equation 2. Okay, now in equation 2,
12 minus y plus 2y equal
12
15.
minus y plus 2y equal 15. Okay,
12 plus y equal 15.
12
y equal 15.
y equal 15.
Y equal 15 minus 12. Y equal 3.
Y equal 15 minus 12. And y equal 3. Okay, where do you want to substitute for y equal 3?
In equation 1.
In 1, we have
X plus y equal 12.
Exactly 12 minus y equal 12. Continue. Minus
12 minus 3. Therefore, x equal 9.
x equal 9. So the solution of the system is xy equals 9, 3. Okay. Read part 2 يا حوراء منعم.
A farmer who has been asked about the number of chicken and rabbits he sold answers 12, 12 hits and 3 is 30 pounds. What is the number of chicken and of rabbits that has been sold?
Okay. What do you mean by pause?
Legs.
Legs. Good. So let's reread it again. A farmer who has been asked about the number of chicken and rabbits he sold. As you know, that a chicken has 2 legs, while a rabbit has 4 legs. The answers was we have 12 heads. 12 heads. Each, the chicken and the rabbit, each one has only 1 head, right? And 30 paws. And 30 paws. So, what do we assume here? What is the
Number of chickens and number of rabbits.
Okay, لفائزة منقول let to
X is the number of chicken.
let x be the number of chicken. Okay. And let
be the
number
of
rabbits. The first equation. يلا حوراء. يعني عدد كل اللي بيعهم يا حوراء. Rabbits with
X
chicken.
plus Y equal 12.
X plus Y equal 12. Good. The second equation, it depends on the power.
X plus 2Y equal 15.
No. Here, the second equation depends on the number of pounds. Okay. X is the number of chicken. And chicken, how many pounds do we have? Do they have? How many pounds do chicken have?
2 pounds.
2x. 2x represents the number of pounds of the chicken. Plus the rabbits, how many pounds?
4.
4 y is the number of paws of the rabbit equal how many?
30.
30. This is the second equation. فإذا أول equation بتعتمد على عدد الجيجات والأرانب حسب روسهم، يعني هن عددهم الكلي. بس تاني equation بتعتمد على عدد الباوز اللي عندهم. الجيجات اللي هن اكس، كم باو كل جيجة عندها؟ 2، بضرب ب2 يطلع معي عدد الباوز. والأرانب عددهم اللي سميناها واي، كم كل أرنب كم باو عنده؟ عنده 4. فإذا بضرب واي ب4 جمعهم هودي بيطلع معي 30 باو. Okay, this is the second equation. This is the second equation. When we have a question like this, part 1 and part 2. part 1 نحن حلينا. شو طلع عنا x plus y equal to السيستم اللي حليناه طلع كان x plus y equal 12, the same equation as in here. And part 2 كانت equation 2 كانت x plus 2y equal 15. Here we have 2x plus 4y equal 30. Can we transform the second equation like the first one?
Yes.
By
We
what?
divide by 2.
We divide the second equation by 2. So we get the system now. The first equation is the same. X plus y equal 12. And the second equation by 2. 2x by 2 تعطيني x.
X plus 2y equal 15.
X. كمان we divide 4y by 2 تعطيني 2y equal 30 over 2 is 15. Okay, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This system is the same as in part 1. Is the same as in part 1. What is the solution of the system in part 1?
9 3.
9 3. So here we have the same solution. Then directly we say x, y equal 9 3 ومنقول solve in part 1. يعني ما في داعي ارجع حله لهيدا. بالبارت 1 حلينا لهيدا السيستم. شو طلع السوليوشن؟ طلعوا x y equal 9 3. So now the interpretation. How many chicken do we have?
9.
The number of chickens, which is x, is how many? 9. So we have 9 chickens. And
the number of rabbits, which is y equal
3.
Rabbits, which is y is 3. So we have 9 chickens. The farmer sold 9 chickens and 3 rabbits. Okay.
Think about two numbers x and y. If you add the triple of x to the double of y, you obtain 144. If you subtract the quarter of x from the half of y, you obtain 4. Find these two numbers.
Okay. What are the unknowns here, يا هشام خان?
X and y.
شو هن هودي الx والy؟
two numbers.
Two numbers. These are the unknowns. اللي هن شو؟ two numbers. Okay. طيب. What do we assume here? يعني شو بنقول؟ Let x be what?
The first number.
Let x be the first number.
The
Bravo.
Or y be the second one.
والواي على شمخة
The second number.
اوكي. طيب the first equation يا علي
3x.
3x good.
3x
plus if we add يعني plus triple of x to the double of y. كيف يعني double of y؟
الواي عمرتها 2y.
2y equal you obtain
144.
The second equation is in the second sentence. Now يلا
Subtract quarter of x.
what's the meaning of quarter of x?
Quarter.
1/4.
1/4x يعني x over 4 from يعني x over 4 بدي نقصها من شو؟ from what؟ علي
من
شمس
y over 2.
half of y.
y يعني y over 2. You obtain قديش؟
144.
You obtain
4.
4. Pay attention to the second sentence. If you subtract the quarter of x is x over 4. If you subtract the quarter of x from the half of y, يعني أول شيء بحط half of y يعني y over 2 minus x over 4 quarter of x, we obtain 4. This is the system. Equation 1 and equation 2. In equation 2, we have what? Fractions. Can we get rid of the fractions? We start with equation 2. How to get rid of the fraction? مين بيقول لي؟ We multiply the whole equation 2 by 4. 4 is the least common multiple of 2 and 4. We get 4 times y over 2 minus 4 times x over 4 equal 4 times 4. So 4 over 2 is 2. Here we get 2y minus 4 over 4.
1
1 x equal 4 times 4.
16
So the system now is صار السيستم 3x plus 2y, the first equation, equal 144. This is the first equation. And the second equation is 2y. Let's put the x first. Minus x plus 2y equal 16. Here أنا بدلت الإكس وحطيت الماينس إكس average حطيت بلس 2y لحتين يصيروا تحت بعضهم. And this is the system now. Okay. What do we do here in this system?
by elimination.
By elimination.
Is this بنحط minus 2 بنحط minus بتصير 3x minus x بتصير 2x.
Very good. So we subtract من ناقص بيطلع عندي 3x minus x is how much?
4x
4x
2y minus 2y 0 equal. فإذا 4x equal 144 minus 16 128. Okay, then we divide both sides by 4. We get x equal 128 over 4 is 32. X is equal to 32. Now, where do we substitute this? وين بدكم تعوضوها? X equal 32 بأي equation?
Equation 1.
Equation 1 in equation 1. فإذا in equation 1 we have 3 into 32, 3x, 3x plus 2y, y بدنا نجيبها, plus 2y equal 144. So 3 times 32 is how much? 96.
96.
Plus 2y equal 144. 2y equal 144 minus 96. يلا
Equal
computer.
48. 48.
هاي يلا.
يا سجلنا لك 48.
144 minus 96 is how much?
48.
Sorry, 48.
48.
So 144 minus 96 is 48. We divide both sides by 2.
الإكس equal 24.
Y equal, then y equals 24. So the solution is x, y equal, x قديش طلعت 32 and y is 24. And finally the interpretation. شو بنقول بالinterpretation يا جواد؟ قديش طلعت first number اللي هي الx؟
The second number is 24.
is 24. إذا بنعمل verifications نرجع نتأكد من السيستم هون. 3x يعني 96 plus 48 تعطيني 144 صح؟ كمان هون 32 over 2 16 minus 24 over 4 no, y, sorry, y is 32. Y is how much? 24 over 2, 12 minus 32 over 4, 8, 12 minus 8 is 4, يعني اثنيناتهم صح. فإذا شغلنا كله صح. اكتبوا هيدا 19.